good morning sa inyong lahat. Last week namin sa Philippines, kaya pumasyal muna kami sa Amanga po. Kinala namin ang mga bata sa playground sa SM. At kumain na din kami sa Inasal. Lalagyan natin sa vlogs. Ang dami na lang in-order sa Jollibee. Where na oh? Here. Eat chicken. What is that? Dero kanin. Dero kanin. Dero kanin. Pag naubos yung kanin namin, hingay kami sa inyo. Ano pa yung nakakita? Okay lang yan. Nakatingin yung isang tumatawa. Nakangiti. Manager pa naman yun. Manager pa naman.
Ano ko ito video?
Manager yan, nakatayo dyan. Oh, manager. Going! No, it will get dirty and not put No, put in the plastic. Or here. Put here. No, it's dirty guys. Pero you want more chicken? You want the chicken? Sige, Bella, yung chicken. Hindi naman natin kaya. Take away ka na kaya kay Papa. Take away ka sa kayo. Take out. Take out ka. Balik kami sa Dubai. Take out. Take away na. Indiano, English. English na mga Indiano.
Hoy, Daddy! Tita! Hoy, Daddy!
Chicken. Oh. Ah. Ano ba pag wala natin ka? Wala naman.
Hi, Daddy.
Hindi ko sa'yo ba? Wala.
No, no, not that one.
Not that one, not that one.
Choices, Bella.
Which one? Show you which one.
Sorry. What do you want, Chloe?
Something na hindi masisira.
Oh.
This.
What's that? Fruits.
I like this. Science stickers. Ah, stickers.
Chico.
You want that?
What's that? What book do you
Ah,
want?
you want like these?
Ay, fruits.
Fruits?
Ay, oo nga, pwede
You want
na lang
like
gamitin
this?
sa airport ba?
Apple, bingo, grapes, pear, banana. You want like this? Okay. Where is this one?
Wala bang price sa likod?
99. Yun, 199. Nasaan ito nakuha?
Diyan.
Hindi ito dito. Ay, ito. Here. Parang mas maganda yung isa.
Oo, mas maganda
They're
isa.
animals.
That one.
Ay, ang lalaki.
Dapat yung maliliit lang.
Ah,
Come, go, find more.
This one. And which one?
this is
Wow.
paintings.
Wow, Stitch. No, no, no. Find another. Okay, show to tita.
This one.
Okay, these stickers.
This one.
Just open this on the plane. But, this one is for school, Bella.
First.
Open.
Oh, gusto daw to ni Chloe Stitch.
Can I see?
Ay, ang mahal. No.
Mommy.
No. Stitch.
Ano pa tayo? Inside out coloring. No coloring. Dapat yung may number sa ganun yung...
No, I like that one Korean one.
Coloring pen.
Ito si ano, oh.
Open this.
Kasi di naman na lang.
Mommy, look at this.
No, it's not.
Wait.
No, we don't need.
Wait. I'm checking which one.
Wait, Mama, no. I'm going to show you which one this
No. I'm gonna... Unicorn.
Check the unicorn
You
one.
already have only one.
Yes. Look, this one.
Ay, ito kaya.
I like this one.
No, that one you have to color. You already have the same.
Ang cute ng bag,
You
oh.
already have the same. What about like this?
Flashcard. Flashcard.
Mommy, what is that?
Card siya kaso, yun dapat box.
What is that?
No,
This
it's drawing.
Drawing,
Like you have to
coloring.
follow the dots.
Yeah.
Princess, meron na siyang princess eh.
Meron siyang mga princess.
Maybe this book. Maybe this one. Maybe this one does shoe.
Okay, bukang kay Chloe, dapat yung mga parang
May mga cartoons
parang animals.
or fruits.
I already checked that this one.
Parang maganda rin to. Kaya ba?
Oo. Maganda yan kay Pet.
Kaso pang ano na to? Pang grade 1. Napasa na isa dun eh.
Chloe, are you reading na, girl? Ang
Wait, what
gata
na to
to.
eh?
ABC.
What is this?
Sa small book.
Sa small book.
Chloe! You want a bag?
Yes,
What bag do you like?
this one.
Hi! Anong kinakain nyo? Ayan. Pinagawa nila. Nanonood ng vlogs. Ang Brolitis family. Ayan si mama oh. Kumakain ng saging habang nanonood. Ate,
Saba.
fried banana. Saba. Luto ni Papa. Medyo sunog. Ayan.
No, this is yours.
Is that yummy, Chloe?
Yummy? Wait, we're gonna make it. Come here.
You want? Go!
Isa pa? Wait. You have to wait. Punta ko si Papa.
Ano si Papa? Ito ang chip cook namin for today. Si Jero. Ito si Papa. Ayan, ang saba. Nainanin ni Papa. Nagluluto si Papa ng pritong saba. Pa, hi kayo pa. Hi sa vlogs. Ito si Jero, ang chef cook. Nagluluto siya ng rice. Jero, anong lulutuin mo ngayon? Minudo. Nagluluto si Jero ng minudo. Ayan. May iniwa-hiwa ng potatoes at carrots. Si Papa nagpiprito ng saging. Paano niluluto nyo pa? Prito?
Prito lang.
Masarap yan.
Tingnan lang po.
Dapat na sa dagat eh. Sa ilog.
Baka madalas kayo doon, ha?
Yes. Ah. Hi, Chloe.
Minanti ka ang saba.
Siglawi, baka pumunta sa tubig.
Nasa si Bella. Bella.
No eating. Wait. This one is yours.
Mama,
Hi. Anong ginagawa niya? Hi, Agata. Anong ginagawa niya dito? Say hi to my vlogs.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Ayan si Tatay. Tay, anong ginagawa niya, Tay? Hi kayo.
Ito! Nagtrabaho din sa bahay.
Nagluluto kayo?
Naglinis.
Sino to si Hana? Busy si Hana. Abol,
sino
naka-iPad si Hana.
Sino yun? Nakahiga.
Video, nagba-vlogs. Nagba-vlogs ako. I-upload ko sa YouTube. Hi, hi kayo lang. Hi.
Hi, hello!
Ayan.
Hello!
Ah, sinong gusto niyo kamustahin?
Lasing ka na naman.
Sabi niya, please watch
Please watch
and subscribe. And subscribe.
and subscribe.
Ayan, dapat mahaba yung video ko. Mata.
Hi guys. Good evening. Boring ako.
Nanonood sila papa ng TV habang naghihintay kay Ron na dumating. Galing school, kaya hindi pa kami kumakain. Ayan. Si Jero busy. Kasi cellphone. Ayan si mama. Saka si papa. Nanonood. Oh. Paano pinapanood nyo pa? Pinapanood nyo? Ayan. Ay, may ano.
Vi är på bajan. Vi är på boet. Yay, yay, yay. Vi
Yay!
är på waterpark.
What's that? Water park.
And what is this? Hello! What's the queen of this?
What's that? Chloe, what's that?
Sam!
What?
What? Wait! We are in the queen house now.
Oh.
We're playing outside. We also playing on the sunny day outside.
No, don't eat it.
How this?
What's that?
Sound. This is a house. Oh no!
Are we where?
House!
Universe.
House! House! House!
Universe.
House! House! House!
House? Are you funny?
Look, this is a pretty moon, Tita. We are in the kitchen. This is a white kitchen. What's happening? What's happening? Wow!
Ouch.
Wow! Ocean!
Is that ocean?
We flying!
Balloons. Forest.
Yes. What is this?
Ask him, what's that?
People donuts! People donuts! You donuts!
I
Nom
don't
nom
know.
nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. We on the island.
Island?
In the moon.
Oh, you're
And then who are we? On the PC?
spaceship?
Who are we?
I don't know what's that. Ask him.
This is the what is this for?
I'm feeling sleepy na.
But Chloe, not yet.
So sinabi ko na I'm feeling sleepy. Sabay sila umalak sa akin.
Moon!
I'm feeling sleepy.
In the house.
I'm feeling sleepy, tita. Kiss me. Kiss tita. Oh, kiss tita. Kiss tita. Okay, kiss tita. Where are you going? Sit? Okay.
Wow!
You can't even see him. Oh. Ask him to talk. He's not talking.
Tito Jero already closed the door. Chloe, where is Tita phone? Bella, give the phone to Tita.
Oh, I find it.
Thank you.